Hi, my name is Dax Kastrin with Elemental Risk Management. I'm the founder and CEO of the company. I had a concept pop into my mind about a topic that I wanted to discuss, which is what happens when you have covered uninsured loss. And it might seem like kind of obvious, but in my 17 years working in this business, I don't think business owners, people give that concept probably enough attention. And the reason is I think we as humans don't really realize the potential for accidents and the potential to get sued or the potential for us to make a mistake. We kind of think we're, invisible and think it's not going to happen to us. And, maybe we look at the cost insurance products and think we can save the money. It's never going to happen. And, we're going to do our best to avoid that. As I've said, 17 years in this business, and I've definitely seen it happen, and it's extremely unfortunate when it does. There's all this feeling of potential responsibility. Did I not make my client aware of just how important it is? But ultimately, it always comes back to it being of the decision maker, of the business owner, of the C-level representative of a company to decline a certain type of insurance or not ask about it or not think it's needed or whatever the case may be, and ultimately be their responsibility. Even though as humans at the time something like that happens, we have a tendency to want to blame somebody else for it. But it does happen, and it's extremely unfortunate. But ultimately, that process of dealing with the financial consequences that come out of having an an uninsured loss is going to be on them, is going to be on the business owner to deal with on their own. So there's no tools and resources at that point, because that's what insurance, something you're paying for as part of your insurance program, is the tools and the resources of either your agent that you work with or insurance carrier to help investigate or mitigate the total loss. You're not going to have those tools that are available, that are included, that you may not even be aware of until you have something happen. You're not going to have the right to coverage that provides defense in an insurance policy. So if you need to hire an attorney, those costs are going to be on you. And so you're going to have to take that burden as a business of having uninsured loss. Kind of a broad subject I've been thinking about, something I wanted to share. Hopefully you find it helpful.